Hey Brian, I'm sharing a new update on these SVG images and what we need to do to kind of keep moving forward. So what I've done here is I've opened up your PSD that you shared, and really you've got everything, all of the elements there. The next steps are just kind of reorganizing it a little bit, which we'll do today. And at this point, I'll say you can also just send me this, and I can do these next steps. I just figured you also wanted to learn how to do this or go through, the exact locations of every little detail. So whether you want to send this stuff to me or complete internally, just let me know. Um, so a couple things here. This is actually what it should look like. Right now we've got a little hover element, hover element, hover element, and then our background image. The completed one really kind of needs to look like this, oddly enough. So there's going to be a folder that says mlock and then whatever the property name is. It should be a unique identifier, always one word. And then just like you had them, the hover element, and hover element, but they have lowercase and single titles, and the layer is as shown in yours. So just kind of doing it real quickly, I want to show you. You can press new folder. I'll double click this and call it mlock and then whatever the property is, in this case, money one, right? And then maybe let's move this to the top. And each of these I can drag into money one, and you'll see that it is now in that folder, right? And then we have to change these to lowercase, all one words. And you can do spaces. I'm sorry, dashes instead of spaces. I'll typically just unlock that. And then from there, that's where you'll still be able to come up to File, um, and then export as. The SVG and click export. And now when that's uploaded to the website, um, which is what we have here, it now has that hover effect. And we have that extra text that we can add to each of the maps on these pages. So if we were to go to Parts Authority, oh, I'm sorry, click on this, Parts Authority, updating the text, copy and pasting what we have from the other one. So just this is kind of where we're at, and wanted to see how far you wanted to take it, and if there are areas that I can jump in and help with. I think it's important to have a unique title for each of these, as shown here, just the money one. And then just the organization of these. So I would say also it might be worth saving them as PSDs as well, just to make edits easier in the future. Really having a PSD with all the layers as well as the exported SVG file. So hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, Brian.